Okay, we're on our horses. This is another day going back up to the same spot. You can hear me. And we got people in back of me on the horses. And I got people in front of me. And of course, I'm right here. This is my horse. It's a good horse. He's a good horse. This is my guy that's going to take me up. And there's the trail up ahead. So we're looking all right. Well, we just got off the horses. And we're walking up 200, 250 meters uphill to where the butterflies are. And it's steep. My calves are hurting. And they're going to be hurting for the whole trip. So a lot of steep going up and steep going down. So, taking my time. At least it's not hot. It's cool, but pleasant. And this is the trail. You see these signs, it says be quiet and whatnot. All right. This is a tiger moth. Tiger moth.
You can see the pattern of it, like a tiger in the abdomen.
We're up here where the butterflies are, and I just took an altimeter reading. We're going to see it right on my phone. So you can see we're at 10,726 feet here. There you go. Okay. There's all the people looking at the butterflies. Are up and about. It's still early in the morning. It's still cool. So once it warms up, they'll get more active then. But this is the same place we were at 2 days ago here. But they're up there. They're very quiet now. A couple of them are starting to fly around. Where the sun hits them, those are ones that are flying around. Okay. Bye-bye. These are my new friends, my new amigos here. And all my friends here. I'm on here too. All right, it's good here. This is YouTube channel. It's going to be on here. So, I'm One Man Travel.
When return for New Jersey?
When do I go back? Friday. I go back to New Jersey then. So, well, this is where we just had lunch. I'm going over to see a lamb here in a little bit. And there's a chicken here. He's down in there, a gray one there, minding his own business. We got like a burn thing here or something. And there's another goat or something or whatever there. I think that's a goat. This is a lamb. Maybe that's a lamb too. This one here is eating all kind of grass and everything. He doesn't want to stay near to me because he's afraid of me, so I won't go near him. And there's a lookout thing. You can go sit up on top there, and that would be pretty neat. Go up on top and sit there and relax, have a little cordial while the lamb is down here underneath you here. So very nice. And come back here, and we're not staying here, we just had lunch here, but very nice place here. All right, little swings over there too. We do swings, a little corral here. So very nice. Here he is. Look at that guy, Mr. Rooster. He's in the shade there. So how you doing, Mr. Rooster? Doing okay, my friend? You're walking. You're strutting good. There's another chicken, Mr. Rooster strutting there. You got some kids' playland over there with swings and whatnot there. Another little corral where they might have, I don't know, horno de pan, whatever that is, I don't know. But yeah, all kinds of stuff. Fire pit here, you can sit around it.